Good day, everybody. My name is Christopher Colonley. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to discuss something on the Emoji Converter. This translates symbols into emotions. So now today we're going to check out how we're going to do that using Python. And we're only going to use three major emotions, two positive and one negative. So we're going to just show you how it's done, and then after we're going to test it, and then after we're going to go through our quiz. Because one of these videos, I'll not put the quiz up, I'll just put only the results and the program, and that is it. So let's get straight to the program without further ado. And notice, sorry, I also put the camera view in the last one because it wasn't working. And now that I've solved the problem, now it's back. Now, the message says input, enter a symbol. That means it's requiring you to enter a symbol. So words equals to message just split, and then it splits the text. So emojis, you have dot, which is also known as a colon, and this means asserted braces. So once you have this with the end of a bracket, you get happy. If you get this, that means confused. If you get this, that means it's a negative feeling. It's angry or sad. So output equals to the emoji. So for word in words, output plus equals emoji.get, which is a dictionary, word plus the character, and then you get the output. So without further ado, let's test the program. And this introduces something called dictionaries that are used in containing key chains of values, according to my research on W3 schools. There we go, much better. Happy? Then if we run it again, confused. And if you run it again, you'll see something new. And it must all be according to what's in the dictionary. Whoops, let me try that one again. There we go. Perfect. And that's how it's done. So we're going to check the quiz now. Note, you only have 5 seconds like the previous one. I've changed the rules now from 15 to 5. But it still acts just like the other one. But it puts 15, so I'll try and find ways of changing that. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1. The for loop is used. It's for word in words. That's the use of the for loop. So now let's move on to the next question. How many symbols are shown? 3. Is a basic data structure, hinters. And it's one of the first data structures we treated in Python, which is dictionaries. Answer is get. I'll let you have a look at the answer for at least 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Obviously, this is an easy question. Next one. So the technique we learned are conditionals and also dictionaries. So programming has many techniques in which you need to master. Same thing for JavaScript and C++. I was close to right when I was explaining it. A dictionary is a built-in data type that stores key value pairs, but still it's also known as key value chains. It's also stored in key chains. So the answer is D. Just wanted to put a little test. In the end, it's happy. Then the final one. So now that's the end of the quiz, as you may see. Hi, this is Christopher Kalonley. Thanks for watching my video today. So in the next video, it will be more something exciting that's related to science in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And when learning in Python, always take it from the beginning till you reach a point where you're really interested in. Then you pick a hobby from there. Then you pick an interest from there. Then you pick something you want to do from there. And this is why data analytics are more nowadays. All right, that's enough for mine, and that's saying goodbye for the first time. Have a lovely day.